Good day everyone! So today, I'm going to discuss, it's all about enhancing critical thinking and problem solving through arts. So before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Brinyas Rosie from BE Ed 3B. So what is enhancing critical thinking and problem solving through arts? So isa-isahin po muna natin. So enhance critical thinking through arts. So number one is promoting creative thinking. It's fostering imagination. Then encouraging analytical skills. It's interpreting meaning. Then developing interpretation skills naman is to understand complex information. The last one is to enhancing observation, improving attention, and appreciating the arts. So, problem solving through arts is meron tayong fostering innovation. It's essential for finding creative solution to problem. Teaching individuals to adapt, find alternative solution on the fly. And last, promoting collaboration. Individuals to work together, share ideas, and negotiate solutions. So the artistic process often involves setbacks and failures. So teaching individuals to preserve and learn to their mistakes. So the question is, how does art teach problem solving and critical thinking skills? So sabi daw, art is a lot of things. So, pwede din siyang maging visual arts. So, meron tayong painting, drawing, sculpture, and photography. So, meron, isa pa din yung art is performance art. Nandun yung music, dance, and theater. And meron din naman na literary arts. Nandun yung poetry, expressing ideas and emotions, or prose. Pwede siya, or prose, written or spoken language. The last naman, pwede din siyang maging decorative arts. Meron tayong sa ceramic and textile. So, art can be science, technology, engineering, math, and storytelling. Most of all, art is problem solving and critical thinking. So, sabi daw, art as science refers to the intersection of artistic expression and scientific inquiry, where creative processes and scientific principles converge. So, it involves using art to explore, understand, and represent scientific concepts. So in conclusion, the connection between art and science is they have common ground. So ang artistic is meron silang common ground, meron silang observation. So both artist and scientist is rely on observation. So, ang artist is observe to the world to capture its essence. Then, while scientist is observe the world to uncover the patterns and the principles. Meron din silang common is to experimentation. So, both artists and scientists rely on experiment. So, artists experiment with different materials, techniques, and styles. Then, the scientist naman is to conduct experiment to test hypothesis and validate theories. And meron din na common ground din sila creativity. So both fields require creativity to generate new ideas, solve problems, and push the boundaries of knowledge and expression. So just like what I said kanina, art and science is may common ground. Nandun yung problem solving. So artists face challenges related to composition, form, and expression. Then scientists tackle complex problems related to understand the natural world. Then communicate their ideas, findings through their respective mediums, whether it's painting, sculpture, scientific paper, or presentation. So art as engineering refers to the fusion of artistic creativity and engineering principle to create innovative, functional, and aesthetically pleasing designs. Artists and engineers collaborate to develop creative solutions, applying design, and etc. So art and engineering is may common ground then. So design thinking, technical skills, innovation, and problem solving. So art's principle in engineering as aesthetic, human-centered design, creativity, and visual communications. In conclusion, viewing art as form of engineering highlights the structure, methodical, and aspects of artistic creation. So art as storytelling naman po is art as storytelling is a powerful concept that explores how art is used various mediums. So art as storytelling is about using creative expression to convey narratives, emotion, and ideas. The last one is art as math. Art cannot exist without math, and math cannot exist without art. Art requires measuring liquids, solids, and distances. It requires addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. So math requires drawing, line, shapes, form, and tools for making marks. So, art and mathematics share deep connections through patterns, proportions, and abstract principles. So, kaya nga, kapag walang mga lines, walang drawing, walang shapes, paano tayo makagawa ng art? Diba? Need natin yon. Okay. So, sabi ko nga kanina, art is a lot of things. May mga nabanggit din ako na hindi nakasali dito, pero may matututunan tayo. So, sabi ko, art is a lot of things. Art as science, art as engineering, art as storytelling, art as math. Then, so, through art, may enhance natin yung critical thinking natin at meron tayong problem solving through art. So, that's all about critical thinking and problem solving po. Thank you and God bless.